Bonjour tout le monde, comment ça va? J'espère que vous avez eu une bonne journée hier. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday. Today we are going to practice for your oral closure, end of the year oral closure. That's what you are going to do, and I'm going to help you with that. So first of all, I want you to take the time to read here the directions. Okay, so I wrote below a list of questions I will ask you during the assessment. Okay, it's not a real assessment, during the oral closure. I'm not going to ask you all the questions here, but I will ask you a lot of these questions. So what I want you to do is to practice. So first of all, you need to read the questions first. You read all of them. There are about 20 questions. There's one that I need to add about profession. I will ask it later. I will add it later. What I'm telling you, you read the question first and you select the one you want to practice. You want to practice your answers, okay? And you select the one, and then you are going to practice. You are going to check, to review the vocabulary, so that you'll be ready to say the answer, okay? And what I'm going to do at the end of my explanations, I'm going to record all the questions. So, like the first one, bonjour, tu étudies le français? And then numéro 2, and I will record them. And you will select, you can start with number 3. You are not obliged to do that in a linear way. You can jump different questions depending on the one you want to work on. D'accord? That's what you have to do. And I want you to record on your phone and attach your recording to an email, because it's much easier for me to give you feedbacks. All the ones that you did on your Google Voice, I couldn't really work on them because sometimes it was not good, sometimes there was no name, sometimes it was not clear enough. So that's why I decided that you will record, not a video. If you want to do a video, it's okay, but you can just record your voice and send it and attach it to your email, and then I will give you the feedback directly as a response to your email. D'accord? And it will be much easier, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to give you feedbacks for the recording you sent me on Wednesday. Bien. Alors, something very important. I want you to please take the time to read all of this. Read it carefully. Read it carefully, and if it's not clear, come to tutorial to ask for help. Because my English, I write English fairly well. I make some mistakes, but my reading, you know that I don't have the best accent. So it's better for you to take the time to read and to take seriously everything I wrote here. D'accord? If you have questions, come to tutorial or send me an email. D'accord? So, what I'm going to do now is to read the questions. Listen carefully. Bonjour, tu étudies le français? 2. Comment s'appelle ton prof de maths? 3. Qu'est-ce que tu préfères, le latin ou le français? 4. Qu'est-ce que tu étudies au lycée? 5. Quel cours aimes-tu? Pourquoi? 6. Quel cours est-ce que tu détestes? Pourquoi? 7. Quel jour sommes-nous? 8. Est-ce que tu as un examen cette semaine? Quel jour? À quelle heure? 9. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire après l'école? Give 3 different activities. 10. Excuse-moi, je ne me suis pas présenté. Je m'appelle Claude. Et toi? 11. Présente-moi ta famille. Comment est ta mère? You will have to describe her hair, her eyes, etc. And I want you to use at least 4 adjectives for your description. 12. Your classmate lost his notebook. He asks you where it is. Say in French the question he asks you. 13. You respond in French that the notebook is under his chair. 14. Ton prof de biologie n'est pas intéressant. Il est. 15. Ton meilleur ami habite en Angleterre. Il est. Here I want a nationality. 16. Et toi, quel est ton pays? Où habites-tu? Here I want you, don't tell me that you live aux États-Unis, in the United States. Find another country and you can just tell a city, whatever, random city, do whatever you want, but not the United States. 17. Avec qui habites-tu? 18. Où est-ce que tu vas aller pendant le week-end? Pendant means during. Pendant le week-end. 19. Say that during the weekend, you and your friend are going to visit the city. Tell 3 different places you are going to go. Et 20. Quelle profession tu feras? Oh non, excusez-moi, forget that one. Forget that one. Exit ticket. When you are done, you do your exit ticket. And tutorial, come to tutorial to ask clarification. I can understand this can be confusing, so come to tutorial and I will explain to you. It will be easier. You'll be able to ask me what you don't understand and I'll be able to explain you until you understand what I mean. D'accord? Bien. Allez, bon après-midi, bonne journée, pardon, et puis à cet après-midi. Au revoir, bon courage.